Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. San Juan, Puerto Rico restaurant tropical storm Fiona gained strength on Saturday as it headed toward Puerto Rico, competing in National Hurricane Center (NHC) to issue a hurricane warning and early for life, threatening to floods and mudslides for the U.S. territory and witches for the U.S. Virgin Islands. One man was found dead in the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe after heavy rains from the massive storm swept away his house in the Bastille decrees, according to local authorities. The storm was about 75,120 km south of St. Croix and about 150 million and 240 km south of Puerto Rico with maximum sustained wind of 60 mph 95 kph as of Saturday night. According to NHC, it was expected to become a orange on Sunday and into Sunday night as it moved near Puerto Rico. The storm is considered a Category 1 hurricane when sustained wind speed reaches 74 mph or greater. The NHC to issue a hurricane warning and early for life, threatening to floods and mudslides for the U.S. territory and witches for the U.S. Virgin Islands. One man was found dead in the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe after heavy rains from the massive storm swept away his house in the Bastille decrees, according to local authorities. The storm was about 75,120 km south of St. Croix and about 150 million and 240 km south of Puerto Rico with maximum sustained wind. This land was recovered up to 20 inches, 50 cm of rain and high winds. The cloud bring flooding, mudslides, and power outages. Orange conditions are expected across parts of Puerto Rico Sunday and Sunday night, and are possible across the U.S. Virgin Islands Saturday night and Saturday, NHC said. Heavy rains from Fiona were also due to spread to the Dominican Republic on Sunday and to the Turks and Caicos Islands on Monday night. The government of the Dominican Republic issued a hurricane warning for the east of the country from Cabo Cauquedo to Cabo Prince Pedro, NHC said. On Saturday, residents in Puerto Rico were bracing for stoppage power outages of the island group remained fragile after Hurricane Maria in September 2017 caused the largest blackout in U.S. history in the Category 5 storm. 1.5 million customers lost electricity with 80% of power lines knocked out. Authorities have opened about 80 shelters and closed because education and residents were urged to seek shelter. Government further policing signals a state of emergency on Saturday, warning residents we should not underestimate this storm in the light. The government is active and prepared to respond to the emergency. He added, we expect that during the night, the winds and rain will intensify and we all want to electrical server to improve, but now what is important is the response, that we are prepared. Abergamas, a spokesman for LUMA, energy operator of the island power grid, said the storm will cause outages, but we will be ready to respond. The same things the happens during Maria is not going to happen here, Gomez said. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.